Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can archive chat on Qwen AI. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. If the mobile app of Qwen is available in your region, you can even access the app. For now, I'll just navigate to the Qwen website. Once you're in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. Now, in order to archive your chats, make sure that you have asked questions to Qwen AI before. If you have multiple chats or conversations with Qwen and you want to archive that chat, you just need to tap on this profile icon at the top right corner and select the settings options from here. Once you're in the settings menu, you can see different tabs at the top. Select the chats tab. In this tab, you can see this archive all chats option. You just need to select it, and it will ask you if you are sure that you want to archive the chats. Tap on this tick mark, and there you go. Now your chats has been archived successfully. If you want to access your archived chats, you just need to tap on your profile again, and here below the settings, you can see archive chats. You can tap on it to view your archived chats. So that's a very easy process to archive chat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.